Just replaying a profitable trade from the Asian session on the Nasdaq, the micro Nasdaq MNQ, just to see how the gold method that I trade applies to other markets. This is looking really nice already. We've had nice bearish movement continuation, like price returned in a very orderly fashion through the later part of New York trading, and we're back inside the volume profile zone. However, we are under a downsloping DVL, which means sells only. We are below the inflection point, so we're out of the abattoir area here. And if this closes, because we've had a close now outside of the Asian open range, if this closes below, this is a breakout beyond, and we have target down here. The point of control will be our first target to manage any trade that we are on, as well as our main target is this lower value Fireline. So we'll see if we can get an entry. Okay, that's the close. We've had just a little bit of a reaction up there. That's the close of the first hour of trading. So my first instinct here is to put a limit order just underneath this inflection point. So that's the level that was closed below. So I want to be somewhere in there. Just green. I'm looking for this red key bar down, something like that will definitely get me a first entry. Another green. Very, very small. Just missed our entry there. It tagged up and rejected. Didn't close back inside, but we'll do a market order here as we want to be in. Stop we'll put up here for the moment, so it's above the high of the day, and our target is down here. Confirm that. Don't mind having this here if it comes up here to retest this and reject it, but if it starts building above the inflection point, I need to get out. Starting to move down now. Move this off. That's the close of the second hour. Pretty nasty no volume candle inside the open hours range. So I'm not going to put any more risk on, and we'll just leave this trade in. So that's quite decisive. We don't want this now to just sweep this first open hour low at the low of the day and then start to come up. So I'm going to start moving this in, not all the way to break even, of course, but it'll be above my DVL and above the inflection point. Really nice candle and really nice bar there. It's straight through the point of control. Can move this in a little bit more now. Getting close. Just missed it. So you can either close here or wait to see if this point of control holds, or price is just going to jump around here. Nice. Still not going there. Probably lock in some profit now. There we go, good. So we held and we got to the lower value Fireline. Had to monitor what's happening in here. That's quite an ugly, but it shows that there's obviously lack of sellers in this candle here, but there's also a lack of buyers, which is what we're looking for, because it's got a really nice sloping dynamic value line. So that's a really nice sell using the method I use for gold on MNQ.